One scorching hot afternoon, I slouched home from school, feeling almost exhausted because of so much work to complete in school. When I pulled open the heavy wooden front door, I got the shock of my life. The whole living room was flooded. I flung my bag onto the sofa and pounded upstairs, taking the steps 3 at a time to find out what had happened. Just as I was halfway up the stairs, I heard a loud wail and the water streaming down became blood red. The reddish water rushed against my legs and I shivered, for fear of what could have happened to Mimi, my playful sister. Mom had left me in charge of her and I did not know why she was here. She should be home at only 2 o'clock, but it was only 12 then. Peeping from outside, I saw water coming down from the bathroom tap at full blast and Mimi, with an injured finger in her mouth, was crying her lungs out. I hobbled towards her and scooped her into my bear hug. Taking the chance, I stole a look at her finger. The cut was deep with a stub of metal wire poking out. Remembering the metal wire I threw on the floor that morning, I guiltily took out a clean handkerchief and tied it around her finger. Naive Mimi did not sulk even after I confessed to her that the wire was thrown by me. I tried to pluck out the wire by pinching the visible part, but unfortunately, it was stuck firmly in her finger. Still carrying her, I went to the tap and turned it off. Looking helplessly at the mess, I started soaking a piece of towel in the water and wringing it off on top of a bucket. Finally, I gave up and contacted my father who was at work. Hearing the bad news, he rushed over and helped to clear the water. When the water level was down, he started helping Mimi with her sore finger. Pew, pew. Mimi cried when the metal wire came out at last. Soon, we took out the mops to clean up the remaining puddle. Though lots of things were damaged, we did not hold it against Mimi nor did they nag at me for throwing broken wires all over the place.